understand the gas properties, that is the relationship between the number of particles and the pressure, I'm going to use the Akin Smart Interactive Board, where I have used the fit simulation platform. So now, to explain it, I'm going to introduce the gas particles. So I pump in the gas particles. As I pump in the gas particles, this gas particle starts to collide with the walls of the container, and as a result you will see that the pressure is increasing. And then more the number of particles I introduce, higher will be the pressure. And then if I increase the heat here, if I increase the heat here, the particle inside the container will gain the kinetic energy, and they will be colliding with the walls of the container very fast and with more force. So more pressures will be generated, and if more pressure is generated, then what will happen is the lid will be open. Close the lid. Again, if I introduce some more particles like this here, and the lighter particles also, heavy particles and lighter particles, you can see this is what happens. There will be collision between the particles as well as with the walls. Okay, and lower the temperature. Now, if I introduce more particles like this, and then lower the temperature. If I lower the temperature, if I lower the temperature, then particles movement will decrease, and the pressure will also decrease. The kinetic energy of the molecule has decreased, the particle has decreased. As a result, pressure decreases. And then I introduce the lighter particle, pump in the lighter particle, and then increase the temperature slightly. Then all of these particles will gain kinetic energy. You can see they are colliding with each other, they are colliding with the walls of the container. So as the temperature increases, pressure increases inside the container. So this explains about the pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. Is the Lussac Law. So Lussac Law states that at constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. Thank you for watching.